Hello friends, this is the view of the first foreign flight celebration in India. We are at the Calicut Airbase. Now the flight is going to land at the airport. Here is the flight. Flight has landed. Flight is entering to its base and the first flight celebration has started through these high pressure water jets. This is the airarabia flight entering to its maintenance walk at our Calicut Airport. This is the airarabia flight. Its maintenance work will be carried out by our AME team headed by Mr. Amit Tehlan. This is the airarabia flight.